The 2021 BMW M3, holding the S58 engine under the hood, rated just over 500 horsepower, luxury interior with various sport modes. And if there was ever a sedan that's ready to just destroy the track, well, I think this is it. Carbon fiber everywhere, and this car performs amazing.
I mean, I'm pretty sure once you get behind this thing, you're going to say the exact same thing. I always love hanging out, man. We always have a great time.
I was fortunate enough to have about 3,000 miles behind the wheel of this car. We spent a lot of awesome times together, mainly recording content for YouTube and Instagram. Now, even though Zoe destroyed my drone, we're still good friends. At the end of the day, he's like me, a car enthusiast at heart. We both love Ferraris, but he's a BMW enthusiast. He's owned several, and I don't think he's finished yet. But that's it, guys. No more BMW. We got a new car for the channel, and I'm gonna go show you now. What? Before the video starts, I want to thank Oxito for sending me these LED headlamps. As you can see in my daily driver, I could not see very good at all. Then I put these LED headlights in and I can see great. And I don't blind people because I have projector headlamps. Please do not put these in your car unless you have projector headlamps. The kit will come with everything that you need, including a discount code, twin turbo, for 15% off. The construction on these are actually really good. I would highly recommend them. I've bought a lot of LED bulbs off Amazon over the years. Aviation grade aluminum. It's got a fan built in, a CAN bus, so they will not flicker. And overall, I'm impressed. Pick you some up today. Zoe left the twin turbo community, guys, but it's okay because he got this. We're actually gonna go check it out right now. And it's so America. I'm about to hit this Jeep, dude. Please consider subscribing. I would love to hit 10,000. That's always been a goal of mine. Appreciate you guys. Let's mess with Zoe. Let's see if these Ring doorbells actually work. Yeah, I heard you traded your car. I'm about to break in your house. Why do you have your Christmas wreath up still, bro?
Purpose of the visit?
I'm one of his followers on Instagram.
What is your name?
Twin Turbo.
Sorry, I cannot help you with that.
Ring, you suck, dude. All of this work only for him to say he's in his garage. All right, guys, you're gonna get the great reveal. I'm gonna pop up on camera, make it super awkward for him. Wait till you guys see this. This car is so fire. With the blue matching. Dude, hey man, congrats, bro. Hey. Congrats.
No, bro, I told you, it's been on and off here.
What up, dog?
This spring type of weather.
Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. How many miles are on this?
3,600.
Dude, you got like a straight up supercar in your garage, it looks like.
It's not like, it is, bro. What you driving, it's a supercar.
So, okay, so what I know, this is Z51, right? That comes with wider tires, wheels, a 2-stage like exhaust,
yep,
where 5 extra horse, 5 torque or whatever, but I'm sure it sounds sick.
Oh my God. Oh, it sounds sick.
This wing?
It needs to sound better.
This wing and electronic LSD, right?
Actually, the blue wing that you see back there is the actual ZR1.
You already put a new wing on? Or
That is just the high wing.
Yeah, color matched.
Color matched. I'll pull it out.
This wing is sick. It's black too, and it matches the wheels perfect.
Yep. Basically, this is like the Z06 high wing.
Okay. No, that's dope.
That's where to go.
That's where to go.
It has a mag ride, magnetized ride.
Okay.
A stiffer suspension, lowering and raising capabilities.
Raise the car up?
Yep.
Look at this pothole, dude.
Safety first.
You're good. Really?
Yeah, so
Dude.
it will remember over 200 places if you have to raise and lower your front end.
PS4's on there?
Yep. I've been looking for a Vette that has all black accents. And freeze this paint. It's just gonna look, it's gonna look stupid.
Guys, look at this color combo. Red leather with carbon fiber accents on this beautiful blue. Oh my gosh, oh man, I'm so happy.
2 carbon stripes.
I'm so happy for you, dude. This is like,
This is for us. This is for Tage. This is for twin turbo, baby.
So that means I
Could you
get
imagine 2 twin turbos underneath this?
Oh
thing?
my god.
Flash. Rather than the chrome, because I've been looking for carbon flash that's hard. Convertible. Dude, this is the best part right here. That window is magical. Just that little detail. Those details. You will not ever find another car maker besides Lamborghini or Ferrari, Pagani, who is going to be doing those kind of details and this kind of detail for your engine.
Can we see the engine?
This is a hard thing to do, actually.
Really?
You can't. No, not in the convertible version. You have to actually go in here and undo a bunch of this stuff because it just lifts up.
Really? Oh, I can't wait to see.
Anybody knows how to look in the engine compartment in the convertible version? Please let me know, because I really don't know. I haven't been able to do
you just got it.
anything.
Yeah, that's why I was like, dude, I gotta come over. Of course, I walk around the corner, you got a microfiber out. That's so, guys.
So you have to always just walk looking at this.
Yeah, no, this is dope.
It's a supercar.
It is, dude.
It's
yeah.
a supercar.
No.
And it handles like a supercar. Y'all want to hear it?
Of course, we want to hear it.
Yeah.
I love the lights. So they're just right there, hidden away perfect. They didn't have to mess with any like flush mount stuff. They hit it into this air intake. Oh my gosh, that's such an awesome design for the door handle.
That's the best design.
Oh.
The button. The Lamborghini button.
This is how you open the door?
That's how you open the door.
Oh, that is cool. Dude,
And
look at this. Look at this door sill, how wide it is. Hey, get back. You're not allowed in here.
Dude, he keeps hitting his tail across this car, and I'm just...
Ooh, that's a nice shot. That is like a soft.
Now open it with the button.
Oh, so you just hold it down and push. That is nice. Red stitching matching. There's so tiny holes, but it's a brush pattern. I can see it. It's kind of going this way.
Yep. Everywhere that you look in here, there's little symbols for the Corvette logo. Like on this back area right here.
I know we got a little lighting. Guys, we're going to show you this car. It's just really kind of like gloomy out. So
it's very gloomy. And the lighting in here is...
These seats are so comfortable, dude. These are, I was expecting
the carbon
them.
bucket, man. Like, I love the fact that you have carbon, exposed carbon on the back side.
Oh yeah, right there, it's glossy. Yes.
Isn't that just stunning?
It's a beautiful touch.
Then,
everything's just so solid. Doors, the stitching.
Leather wrapped. Is it a very flow effect? And when you
I was
stand
looking
outside,
at that. Look at that.
Inside, it looks amazing. Yeah, those.
That is
that little
freaking...
piece right here.
Yeah, show 'em.
That little piece right there, and then over here, that piece. Like when you're standing outside and you see those little hits of red on top of that blue.
Yeah.
It's just, it literally looks like it's like something is alive.
Oh, these vents are cool.
The vents are cool.
Tiny little slots.
This is the most interesting way to display your climate control through a vertical stack.
Oh, big gulps, huh? Well, see you later.
Whoa, that's cool.
Stole it straight out of a Lamborghini.
Yes.
How you can lift and activate, neutral, reverse, park, and then manual. It's so simplistic.
Show them the steering wheel, dude. Look at that flat bottom. Flat up here, too.
It takes some time to get used to. I'll definitely say that.
Sure. I mean, flat bottom is pretty common, but both, yeah, that would be different. We're going to show you this car in detail, but I think I'm going to throw up a quick video for everyone, man, just so they can see your new car.
When you're sitting here, you know where your rear is and you know where your front is at all times out of your peripherals. And it's absolutely amazing. No, the steering in this car is so direct. When you go into a turn, it feels like it's going to understeer a little bit, but it really just you think it's understeering, but I feel like it's just going straight, wanting to go straight into the apex. Right when you get to the apex, it like oversteers just slightly. I mean, just slightly oversteer, but it's like so minimal. I don't think anybody truly will know unless they're like a track driver, somebody that reviews cars all the time, or 3, somebody that just absolutely loves to drive like myself. Outside of that, no one's gonna know, oh wow, this is off in any way, shape, or form when it comes to the steering. It's so precise. You will tell a huge difference between this and the M3.
In what way?
In the way that the M3 was just savage. It's just refined. It's...
Well, the demographic. I mean, dude, you know, like...
Yeah, it's
let's face it.
Older
so, like, older dudes that are retired, their dreams to get a Corvette. So they're going to kind of cater, like, okay, we got to make it comfortable. But we also got to have it, like, it's a vet. Like, the pinnacle of American muscle. Yeah. Right?
It just needs an exhaust bad.
It sounded pretty good, man. Was that, like...
the startup. It sounds great from the outside. Okay. Don't get me wrong. But cabin noise, it's just it sounds glorious. You'll hear, but it just doesn't sound like that true V8, you know, 1967 or 2012. Corvette.
Oh yeah, dude, that is like getting out of a supercar. You were on the ground. What do you guys think of this blue-red combo? It's very, very rare. Only 2 of them were spec'd like that.
It's a code delete. So it's basically they have to, for you to go or for a salesperson to go into the system and combine this kind of color or any kind of like unauthorized colors, they have to basically go to Chevy, ask for permission and for the code delete before they can even do this.
2021
and the BMW.
Corvette Stingray Z51 package. Oh my gosh, and the color, I mean, 12,000 to PP up this car.
12,000.
What? Exhaust, it's all cut out like squares. It's just,
I love this diffuser.
I didn't even put the JB4.
You let me drive it too.
If anybody needs a M3 JB4, hit us up because we got one. It's going to have the Wi-Fi plug. You have a giveaway too, right?
Yeah, we're giving away
so
JB4.
That's another JB4?
2 JB4s we got, dude. One's free, one's on the low. All right, about to get some sushi. Dude, this actually makes it super easy to get in.
when the top's down.
Yeah. Solid thump. Feels great. Is that like a sport mode, or is it just always like that? Does it get louder than that, or is it get?
It gets quiet. Well, I'll show you.
That's pretty. That sounds perfect.
It's not that loud all the time.
Oh, that's cool.
I just put it in track mode.
Do you get different like gauges?
Yep. So this is track, and this is going to be sport. This is going to be touring. And you can configure all the information around it in each one. Your weather mode. So it's just like, there's 5 different like modes. And here it changes all the different aspects that you can change for.
Oh yeah, your M3 was like that too.
So then the track touring mode is set to that. Sport.
Oh, that changed sound. Oh, sport. Okay, that's that exhaust. Give it just a tiny little rev. Oh yeah. Okay. Dude.
It does. When you're driving, you can't hear it barely.
Yeah.
No, you definitely do.
Oh, so this rear window rolls down?
Saying,
oh, that's cool,
that's
man.
My favorite thing. You can like roll it down, or you can.
Oh,
I usually have it down just
so you can hear it more.
Well, I don't even run this half the time in the spring, except you'll get enough air from that. So it's just like then you are not stressing your engine and you're not using unnecessary gas. And I feel like that's why they provided it for.
Dude, look when the mirrors go down, they fold. They just show you that big old intake scoop. Wow, actually, first initial impression, this is like really, this is really smooth.
It's that magnetic ride.
Like sitting here like this, there's no vibration at all.
So it tells me my tire's cold, my air temp, my oil temp. The turn signal is not annoying, the sound.
video, went to Zoe's house to check out his new vet, then this happened, and a cop in the thumbnail. That.
Oh, I love just hearing a mid-engine car.
Oh yeah.
Like that engine just right here.
Yeah.
Can you imagine when it has exhaust?
I just can't believe how smooth it is. Like, I'm really shocked. Like,
This is in track mode.
It feels like a Lexus, dude. I mean, it's got a sports suspension, but like it's really smooth. But oh, dude, that V8 torque.
I love V8 naturally aspirated.
Yeah.
If you want to blurp at somebody, you just hold both of these down.
What? Do that again.
I'll do it in here.
Music. You know, loud cars are actually safe, so it's good that you have that. You want people to hear you, you know?
Yeah, because you're there in like 0.2 seconds.
It's all about...
Actually, 0.29 seconds.
It's all about safety, man. Safety first.
You have to hear from the outside. That's when it sounds loud. Loud.
Oh my gosh, dude, look at that. Look at that air scoop. Push button.
Even first.
That's dope. So fire, bro. So what are you gonna do?
I don't know, bro.
Parking's kind of jacked. Look at this. Look at this 4x4, dude. Straight. You're gonna get some sushi. Look at this freaking. This is insane. That's really cool. The thing has like a lifts up the suspension. Every time we get done eating somewhere, you make me drive your cars home. Last time it's an M3. This time it's a C8. I mean, this is really getting out of hand.
Well, you know what? In that case, I'll drive. It's all right.
I'm just kidding.
The passing of the torch.
Oh my god.
America.
America. America right there, boys. Freaking new car smelling a vet. What? I'm already used to it. I like it.
He said, I'm already, you know you're not. You haven't even turned.